Here's how you can connect Printify to Shopify. First, from your Shopify admin, click on Apps in the left-hand menu. Then, click on Recommended Apps. This will take you to the Shopify App Store. Alternatively, you can open a new browser tab and go directly to apps.shopify.com. Next, in the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to type Printify and look for the official Printify app. Click on Printify to open the apps page, then click on Add App. Once added, click Install App to begin the installation process. After installation, you will be prompted with a setup page. You can either follow the setup guide or connect your Google account to sign up and start using Printify for free. You may also choose to open the full site for a broader view of settings. Once you're in the Printify dashboard, you can configure your store preferences. Don't forget to save your settings by clicking Save. To start creating products, click Create a Product within the Printify dashboard. Choose the type of products you want to sell, like custom t-shirts, mugs, etc., and follow the steps to customize them.